It has cabinet and it has table. It has like wood feel top. I'm going to show you how to install it. It's like super easy to install it, but look at this. This is like the tabletop piece here, and these are like the other pieces. This is like the handle. It's pull-out handle. It holds 55 liters, and it has cabinet. It can be used for shopping as a shopping cart. It can be used as a teacher cart. It can be used for beach picnics, because you can turn it into a table. It's not only a cart. So let's explore how to work it. It's super easy to install. It comes with these shelves on the side, so you need to just insert it from here like that. You just inserting, and then you just kind of open it, and then you open the sides and you match them and you clip them into each other to make it like open in a good way, like this. And then you open this one and you make it just like a box, right? And then you grab this top here, and it has like a little lock, so you just like lock it and unlock it from both sides, and you just like put it, and then I believe the top, you just like grab it and you place it here. And before you lock it from the side, you just need to lock it when you put the top from here, and you have yourself a table. You can either like keep it like this, or you just can open them together. We have two options. We either put the wheels, or we put these as stands here. So we use the wheels first to drag it around, and then when we arrive to the location of the picnic or the park, whatever, we remove the wheels and we install these instead of it to be like a stand-up table as wheel style. So you need to put both wheels like who are similar in one side. So here is the wheels. Okay, put it like this, and you have like a side cupboard from here. You can open it, you can take out stuff from it, and you can just like close it. And this, it's from both sides, where you can just like open it and then close it. And look at how cool. You press this to open all the way the table like this, and you can just remove it to turn it into a real cart. And here you can put all your groceries if you're not gonna use it for picnic and stuff, or like as a table. You can just use it for your groceries. Just don't forget, here you need to open this one, and from the other side too, and make sure you put it down here. Okay, so it stays and it carries more weight in a better way. And this goes for both sides, and you just put them here like that. Basically, there's no need for force or anything, just like that. You just put it up as a table. Look at this. Isn't that just super cool? I really like it. It's really, 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 really cool. It's a table. It's officially a table for picnics, for everything. You can, and it can carry your weight, but of course with the wheels, it's like just perfect. It's just perfect. I can put my coffee here.